हाय घर बहुत दिन के बाद so interesting things. It's been quite an interesting time in the last couple of weeks. I have seriously started going on dates, and that's an interesting thing in my life because you're given this wisdom that dating is about the other person, etc. I'm realizing for me dating is about me. Every time I'm sitting across a stranger who's looking at me and I'm looking at them, I'm like they could also be friends who may be exploring something with you. When I'm sitting there, I'm like, okay, what have I learned? I mean, at this time in my life, 43, right? So I'm like, I'm not a naive child at all. I have a sense of things, but I'm a little naive in some things. But I'm sitting there and assessing shit like, do I know how to deal with death? Do I know how to deal with heartbreak? Do I know how to deal with job loss? Do I know how to deal with loss of money? Do I know how to deal with loss of health? Do I know how to deal with all the hard things that life throws at you? And this is nothing to do with anything external. Actually, I'm sitting there in a meeting and thinking about my emotional strength. I'm looking at the fact that do I have any spirituality which gives me grounding without this person on my own. I'm sitting there and wondering, do I have the capacity to create a beautiful life uh, with and without the person? And if this person comes into my life, will they add to the beauty or will they take away from it? And when I'm sitting there, the biggest thing that I'm thinking about is, will I be free despite it all? What do you do when you go on a date? I really want to know, because nothing that I've been told in pop culture, movies, etc., is really happening. I'm sitting there and asking really existential questions when I'm going on these random first dates or whatever, right? And this is interesting. This is now not how it has been in earlier. Like, it's not been how it was in my 20s or my 30s. But right now, I'm sitting there and being seriously like, what is happening? Why can't it be simpler or easier or more fun? It is fun, by the way. But the questions in my head are surprising me. What happens to you and your brain? I want to know.